Let's go ahead and do example 2. So the length of time it takes on the SAT for a group of students is normally distributed with a mean of 3.5 and a standard deviation of 1.25 hours. A sample size of 100 is drawn randomly from the population. Find the probability that the sample mean is A is between 3 hours and 25 and 3.75 hours, B is less than 3.6 hours, and C is greater than 3.15 hours. Okay, so let's remember what we have to do. Because it gave me that sample size, I have to do something different. The mean is going to stay that 3.5 we talked about, but now the standard error of the mean for the standard deviation will change. It's that 1.25 divided by the square root of 100, and that gives me 0.125. All right, so let's show how to do this in Minitab, and we'll keep going. All right, so I'm going to do this, and let's go to Minitab. All right, so I'm going to go to Graph, Probability Distribution Plots again. I'm going to do View Probability. So I put my mean in and my standard deviation. So that's great. I have everything I need. The first one it wanted me to do was to find my values of, let's go back and look right fast just so I keep them straight, 3.25 and 3.75. Let me make sure I'm doing that right. Yep. Okay. Just want to make sure I've got it right. So I'm going to go back. So I've got my right values in there. Let me put this as 2.5, hit OK. And look, there is my answer, but let's look at my PowerPoint because it looks better. Okay, so here it is. There is my graph. I've got my mean. I've got that new standard deviation. I have 3.25 and I have 3.75. The area in red represents students that would be in that area. So I've got 0.9545 is my answer. And I've written it here. The probability that the sample mean for the length of time taken on the SAT is between 3.25 and 3.75 is between 0.9545. This is a lot like what we just did in normal distribution. All we're doing, we've changed the standard deviation. All right, so let's look at that next one. That next one wanted to look at less than 3.6. So I'm going to go here, View Probability, hit OK. And again, if I'm going too fast, all of these slides are in the PowerPoint so you can see them. I'm going to do less than, and remember I said 3.60, and I wanted it less than that, so it's a left-tailed, hit OK, and I get that. And if I go to my PowerPoint and look at it, and again, here are the instructions to show you what to do, I get that 0.7881 is the answer. So the probability that the sample mean for the length of time taken on the SAT is less than 3.6 hours is 0.7881. Okay, again, I just see it here. I get Minitab gives you my answer. All right, that final one I want to look at, go to Graph, Probability Distribution Plot, go here, hit OK, and then I'm going to go here to the shaded area. So now I want to do more than 3 point, let's see, what did I did? Let me make sure before I do this. All right, so this one I wanted to know, oh, I'm sorry. So it's 3.15, okay? 3.15, I hit OK. All right, I get my answer. Let's go see what I did. All right, 3.15. So there's a little area of white down here, but most of the area is going to the right. Again, this functions just like those normal distributions we did in the previous section. So the probability of the sample mean for the length of time taken on the SAT is greater than 3.15 is 0.9974. So most students are taking anywhere above 3.15 and greater to take that SAT.